Today, we're going to add some wood storage to our shop, and we're going to review this Kastforce wood storage rack we got from Amazon. Now, there were a lot of reviews on this item that said the same thing, that the lag bolts that came with this were not long enough to support the weight for it. Mine actually didn't come with any lag bolts at all, so that's not a good start for a review. It does get better though. As you can see here, I have wood everywhere. I've got sheet goods, I have 2x4s, 1x4s, 1x6s, and I need somewhere to put this and clean up my shop. Now, I didn't really like the design of this. After I put it together, I really started to like it a lot more. As you can see, I'm pulling this apart. The more weight you put on this, the stronger it actually gets. You just put these screws in there, and there's a little notch on these orange arms, and they sit right on top of those screws, just like this, and it becomes like shelves that you can use. Now, the spacers right here are 1.5 inches in length when you put them on. So the lag bolts we're going to need, I'd say at least double that. I got some 3-inch lag bolts. As you can see, the 3-inch would be long enough. If they were 2.5, it probably wouldn't even break the drywall. Now, because I had to get my own lag bolts, these lag bolts won't fit in the holes that they already made, so I'm going to have to make some bigger ones, which is bad for a review, but honestly, it's not that hard to get some new bolts and drill a couple holes. Now here, I'm just taking my level, finding the studs, and then drawing lines with my level. Now I'm going to hang this up where I think I like it. Where the hole's at already, I'm going to start a pre-drill, and then I'm going to move it and drill the rest of the way into the studs. I'm going to use that for the top and bottom as a reference. Just stay on that line. Now when we actually drill this in, just stagger top and bottom. That way we can distribute the weight really easy, and it goes in very even. Now a trick, just get a 1x4, put your level on it, and do the same thing on the other side. Find out where it's level, stay on your line that's already on the wall, and do the same thing. Now before we decide if we're going to drill this all the way in, let's test it one more time. Let's get your 1x4 in level, see if it's level, and that is perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to screw these lag bolts in, just stagger them just to distribute the weight well, and we can start hanging some wood on it. Now this holds hundreds of pounds. This product, honestly, it did way better than I thought it would. It's been several days now with all this wood on it. I even put some sheet goods on top that are cut to size, and it's held up very strong. In a moment, I'll grab it and show you how strong it is with everything on it. It hasn't bent or bowed or done anything. I haven't felt like it's giving in at all in any way. It's very strong and sturdy. I'm very happy with the way it's turned out, and honestly, it cleaned up my shop so well. Would I recommend this? I would definitely recommend it. Just know that you're going to have to get your own lag bolts and make your own holes for this. Other than that, I don't see any flaw in this product. It looks great, it's done its job, and I'm very happy with it. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.